Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Arina, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be doing a comparison on the CATRICE light illusion powders. The new one is the banana powder. I'll be comparing it with the nude illusion loose powder in the shade transparent matte. I think this is a very popular powder in Malaysia. I'm gonna compare them both side by side on my face. I'll also be including me trying them on. So if you're interested to know how my thoughts are, keep on watching. Okay guys, I already done my base, concealer, foundation, like all the cream products. And on my right side, I'm gonna apply the old CATRICE Nude Illusion Loose Powder in the shade Transparent Matte. And on the left side, I'm gonna use the newer version of it, which is a banana shade light illusion loose powder in the shade Yellow Matte. So this one has a light yellow shade from what I can see from the powder, and this one is literally a white powder, and the component of these two are identical. There's no difference between them, but I've checked the ingredients at the back, and the only similar ingredients are the first three. The rest of the ingredients are different, so we're going to test it out, how the finish will look like on my skin. The description from the Nude Illusion Loose Powder, the transparent matte one, says transparent loose powder with soft focus effect for a flawless and long-lasting matte finish without drying out the skin. Ultra fine formula for wearing alone or fixing the foundation. Whereas the banana powder, the description says yellow loose powder with soft brightening effect for an illuminated look. Ultra fine formula enriched with yellow clay provides a flawless and long-lasting matte finish, wear alone or used to fix the foundation. So the goal for the Nude Illusion is to give you a soft focus effect, whereas the yellow matte loose powder will give you a brightening effect and also an illuminated look. And I'm gonna quickly swatch the new one, which is the banana powder. It has micro glitters in the formula that explains the illuminated effect with this powder, whereas the Nude Illusion one, so I just watched it as well, and this one doesn't have any glitter in the formula. So now let's test this out. For the brushes, I'm going to try to use the similar shade brushes that I have in my collection. For this side, I'm going to use the NYX number 26 brush, this one, and on this side I'm going to use Colourpop. I think this is called Small Fluff Brush. And let's start. So this is for the under eyes. I'm going to set the under eyes first, which I already have my concealer on. Make sure that there's no creases under the eyes. So I'm just going to push my concealer, fill in the crease. And on my right side, I'm going to use the banana powder with the NYX number 26 brush. The opening is quite narrow, so I have a love-hate relationship with this type of small opening, because yes, it minimizes the mess, the powder mess, but the downside is it's hard to get the product out, especially if it's a new tub and when the product is still full inside the tub. That is just a minor downside. Okay, so far so good. I like how it looks like. So this is the side that I haven't set it yet. I think this one does make it, like, I wouldn't say it darkened the side, but it looked less bright than before I set it. So on this side, I'm gonna apply the transparent matte one. Okay, this is how it looks like. I think you can tell that this one looks less bright than this one, but I honestly prefer the finish from the banana powder than the transparent matte shade, which is the original version, because the transparent matte shade looks slightly dry than this one. I don't have dry under eyes, I have normal under eyes. My under eye is not oily and not dry as well, it's just normal. So I'm gonna set the face next. First, I'm picking up the new powder, the banana shade one. This is the Focalor powder brush. Okay, this is what this side looks like with the banana powder, and let's set this side using the transparent matte. Looks like using the transparent matte shade, and I think this one looks slightly darker, just slightly, just a bit. So I'm gonna set my face using my trusted Smashbox primer water, just to make sure that everything meshed together with the foundation. I'm gonna let it dry, finish up my makeup, lips, eyes and everything, and I will be right back, do the flash test and also give you guys my final thoughts on this banana powder. Done. If you notice, I did set my makeup before I apply bronzer, blusher and everything. I did that accidentally. Actually, that helps because it took away the powderiness that I have going on my face, and then I put on the powder products next and did set my face with the primer water again, and I feel like I love the finish now compared to right after I finished setting my makeup with these powders, because it does look patchy in some areas. Maybe because I did use any foundation in today's video as well. I should have used the foundation that I already familiar with. So far everything looks great. And can you tell the difference, any difference between these two powders? I don't think I can tell from afar. So I zoom you guys in so you can see the finish and everything like that. This is what the banana powder looks like. This is what it looks like under the eyes. I have fine lines. I cannot conceal that no matter what concealer, what powder I use. Okay, I did a flashback test for both powders and there's no flashback at all. Okay, now let's review these powders. For the banana side, I feel like it doesn't really have enough brightening effect. In fact, the transparent matte one brightens my face more than the banana powder. But with that said, I'm still gonna use this banana powder again in future, also in my videos, because it doesn't have any flaws. It just doesn't really reach my expectation, which is brightening the face. But when I see my face up close using the mirror, I can see some tiny glitter particles scattered on my face. I've checked the price and they are the same price, which is RM37. And that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate if you can subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.